Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for keeping your computer running smoothly. We're going to talk about how to minimize RAM usage in Windows 11. If you've noticed your computer slowing down, it might be because you're running out of RAM. But don't worry, I've got some easy steps to help you free up that memory and get things running faster. Let's get started. First, let's see how much RAM your computer is using. Right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Once it's open, click on the Performance tab. Then click on Memory. Here, you can see how much RAM is being used and what's available. In the Performance tab, you can see a detailed graph of your memory usage. If the memory usage is consistently high, it's time to take some action. Let's close any programs you don't need. In the Task Manager, click on the Processes tab. Here, you'll see a list of running programs and how much memory each one is using. Right-click on any program you don't need and select End Task. Be careful not to close essential system processes. Stick to apps and programs you're familiar with. Some programs start automatically when you boot up your computer and use up RAM. To disable these, go to the Startup tab in the Task Manager. Here, you'll see a list of programs that start with Windows. Right-click on the ones you don't need and select Disable. Disabling unnecessary startup programs can significantly reduce RAM usage right from the start. Now, let's get rid of software you no longer need. Open Settings by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. Go to Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Here you can see all the installed programs. To the right of each app, you'll see three dots. Click on it and select Uninstall. Uninstalling unused programs not only frees up RAM but also storage space. Another way to minimize RAM usage is by using lighter software alternatives. For example, for a simple note-taking, opt for Notepad instead of Microsoft Word. Lastly, make sure your Windows is up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. To check for updates, click on the Windows Update tab. Then click on Check for Updates. Keeping your system updated ensures you have the latest optimizations and security patches. And that's it. By following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in your RAM usage and overall system performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.